You've just scored a killer deal on that new gadget, but the seller only accepts GrabPay. Problem is, you're new to the app and wondering, can you actually use GrabPay without verifying your account? Let's dive in. GrabPay is a popular e-wallet in many Southeast Asian countries, offering convenient payment options for online shopping, food delivery, and more. But like most financial platforms, security is paramount. That's where account verification comes in. Limited functionality. Now, the short answer is, yes, you can technically use GrabPay to a limited extent without full verification. You might be able to top up your GrabPay wallet. You can usually add funds using methods like credit/debit cards or bank transfers, even with a basic account. Make small, in-app purchases. Some basic transactions within the Grab app itself might be possible without full verification. But here's the catch. Severe limitations. These limited functions are usually just the tip of the iceberg. Withdrawal restrictions. You likely won't be able to withdraw funds from your GrabPay wallet to your bank account without full verification. Missing out on key features. Crucial features like peer-to-peer transfers, online shopping at partner merchants, and even using GrabPay for rides might be unavailable. Why verification matters. Enhanced security. Verification adds a layer of security to your account, protecting you from fraud and unauthorized access. Increased spending limits. Verified accounts usually have higher spending limits, giving you more flexibility. Access to all features. As mentioned, full verification unlocks the full range of GrabPay's features and services. The verification process. Usually simple, GrabPay's verification process is generally straightforward. It often involves providing personal information. This may include your full name, date of birth, and address. Verifying your identity. This might involve uploading a photo of your ID or passport. Linking your bank account. This helps ensure the accuracy of your information. While you might be able to use GrabPay with limited functionality without verification, it's strongly recommended to complete the verification process. This enhances security, unlocks all the app's features, and provides you with a smoother, more convenient user experience. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.